All right, y'all, we finna get our work shift started. Before I begin, we're gonna reset my mileage for tonight to 0. There we go. And there's the time that we are getting started. Well, let's go get this first order. I got a pickup for Ryan. For DoorDash. Yep.
Go ahead and just...
Hey, I got a pickup for Ryan.
Ryan?
Yep.
Alright, just give me 1 second.
Alright. To my other Dasher friends, I always send updates and that helps get extra money. Customer gave me an extra $20. It pays to update your customer. Total for these 2 orders was $36.60. Let's go. Okay, let's go get this next order. That's how much we made. This is what she ordered from Chipotle. It's been about 5 minutes. Let me update my customer. Finally, we have the Chipotle order. Now we're headed to Outback for the part 2 order. This is what the customer ordered from Outback, and it's such a wait. I'm going to go ahead and update my customer. Thank you. Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Sorry for the delay. Both restaurants was busy as heck.
That's okay.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you.
This is just me showing you the total. I had already put it at the beginning of the order. Okay, let's go ahead and get this next stack order. So far, we've only used 33 miles of gas. I ran into some traffic. Let me update my customer. Guess where we're headed? Back to see my little M&M friends. I gotta call security to get in through the gate. Hey, my little M&M friends. Y'all doing all right? All right, y'all be good now, okay? Hello. On the bag, but it's for Daniel.
Okay.
Oh, I think I need to take a picture.